Hey, welcome back guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your EverWebinar, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is how do you change your EverWebinar schedule? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to change the schedule for one of your webinars in EverWebinar anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business doing webinars, you know that testing different times can help increase show rates. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your webinar dashboard. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my EverWebinar, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen on the left side, if you want to change the schedule, make sure you've clicked on webinars. Once you've done that, you're going to see all of the different webinars you're running. You can see I have 2 right here. And in order to change the schedule, make sure you've chosen the correct webinar. So for example, this one right here, you can see it's every Wednesday at 8 o'clock. So if we want to change that, we're going to click on edit. Before you do that, if you're going to be split testing, you may want to go ahead and just create a new webinar. You can clone it, and that way you can run traffic to one webinar that's at a different schedule, and then you can keep this one at 8 o'clock, and then you can see which one performs better. But if you're sure you want to go ahead and change the schedule, just click on edit. Once you do that, you'll see all these blue dots, and you want to click on schedules. Once you do that, here on webinar schedules, click on the pencil icon. Okay, so once you click there, you're going to see this menu right here, webinar schedules. You can see this one is at 8 o'clock every Wednesday. So normally what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and look for this line, new series, and then I'm going to go ahead and adjust it. So let's go ahead and say, maybe we're going to change it from Wednesday to Friday, and we'll do the same time at, let's say, 8 o'clock. And then here we'll go ahead and leave it at the user's time zone. And then I'll go ahead and click on add. Now you can see we have 2 different series running right now. So if I don't want to use the previous Wednesday at 8 o'clock, I'm going to go ahead and delete it. All right, next you get this warning saying that when you delete a schedule, everything within that schedule is going to be deleted. If you're okay with that, click on, okay, now you see we have just the schedule every Friday at 8 o'clock, and then we'll click on save. Okay, and then I'll click on finish. Now, if we go to our dashboard here in our webinars, we can see that the schedule for this EverWebinar has changed to every Friday at 8 p.m. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to change the schedule for your EverWebinar, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.